Hey there everyone, let's talk about using Google Chrome. This is the browser icon for Google Chrome. I'm going to double click on it. When I open up the page, I see the Google search page. In the top right corner of my page, there is a person symbol. If I click on that person and then I click sign into Chrome, then I'm going to enter my ISD account information. So I would enter colin.gaskamp@blancoisd.org and then click next. Then I would place my password for my Google account and click next. Okay, it's going to ask me, do you want to link your Chrome data, or do you want to create a new profile? Always click Link Data. Okay, got it. And then you'll see all of my bookmarks that I have bookmarked in Chrome start to show up. And also all of my extensions like Grammarly and Bitmoji. You probably noticed those. So I'm going to close out of those. Still keep my Google start page, and let's look over here. I'm in the system, Colin. Another extension, LastPass. I'm going to X that out. Okay, I'm in Google Chrome, signed in. All of my shortcuts are here. Okay, this is real helpful whenever you're moving to a lot of different computers, like if you're going from your classroom to a computer lab or maybe to an intervention room or your computer at home. You always want to sign into Chrome so that all of your usernames, passwords, and shortcuts are there with you. LastPass is an extension that we can talk about using later. But for this screencast today, all we're going to talk about is signing in and out of Chrome. Okay, so once you have completed the task that you needed to do in Chrome, then you need to remember to always sign out. Now, if this is your personal computer at home, if this is your teacher computer here at school, you may not have to sign out all the time. But if there is someone that is going to be using that computer over and over again, or a student is going to be logging into that computer, then yes, you're going to want to sign out of Chrome. Okay, but again, if it's just you using that computer, you can stay signed into Chrome. If you come to a computer lab and you sign in, make sure you sign out. Okay, the way we sign out is we look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, click on that, click on Settings, click on Sign Out, click on Clear and Sign Out. Now, I know that I've signed out because my name is gone and all of my bookmarks are gone. Another thing, if you guys ever see a exclamation mark, you can click on that exclamation mark. And it's either going to tell you that you need an update. Sometimes it might be an arrow. Sometimes it might be an exclamation mark. You click on it. It will ask you, do you want to enable it or do you want to remove it? If it's not harmful, I usually say keep it and enable it. And if it's something that you want, sometimes it might be something that you do not want as an extension. Then, if you see that, the 3 dots will come back. All right? I think we've talked about how to sign in and out of Chrome, and as always, if there's any questions, let me know.